Hey, Arcade1Up. Can we talk? What up, ladies and gents? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming at you with a new video this morning. I'm recording this video again because I was an idiot, didn't unmute my mic. So Arcade1Up has had their E3 stuff, and while it hasn't been the best, let's just get into it. Legal stuff out of the way first. Like you see, make sure you hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications as we make our way to 2K. Yeah, 2K. That feels good to say. Anyway, let's get to it. So, you guys know the E3 season's going on, and freaking Arcade1Up did the reveal starting last week Friday. They showed The Simpsons, and then I think it was like Thursday or Friday, they showed The Simpsons, and then Thursday or Friday they showed X-Men, and then Monday, all this happened before Tuesday, and then they showed Big Blue, the Galaga, Miss Pac-Man, Class of 1998, 81, I'm sorry, and Turtles in Time. And so now, you know what I'm saying, so shout out to Digital Trends, you know what I'm saying, because they put it out there that, the following cabinets are $4.99. X-Men, Big Blue, and Class of 1981, Miss Pac-Man and Galaga. Meanwhile, TMNT, a reskin, and The Simpsons is $600. I'm gonna say that again. A reskin of TMNT is $5.99. So, this cabinet right here, I paid $3.99 for mine. Now, granted, it didn't have a lit up marquee. A lot of people, went and got aftermarket ones, and it didn't come with a stool either. So the stool sells for $80, or hell, some places, some Walmart, you can catch it for like $50, whatever. And the light up marquee, you're gonna tell me that's, and Wi-Fi, my bad, it has Wi-Fi. You're gonna tell me that a light up deck protector, Wi-Fi, and a stool is pushing us over $600. And before anybody says it, it costs money, and it's inflation, and the materials are out there, and yeah, all that's true. I give you all that. But for $5.99, legit. You know what I'm saying? For an example, like just for example, freaking X-Men, you know what I mean? X-Men's $500. The only thing X-Men doesn't come with is a stool. And it's got one more game. Granted, it's only 2 games because Avengers Galactic Storm is trash. Just saying. And it doesn't have a light up deck protector. You know what I mean? So just so we can be clear, just to clarify, you know what I'm saying? You get the custom riser and everything else, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, and the custom riser, but the one for $400 came with a custom riser. But legit, this is where we're at now, where we're paying $600 for reskins. Granted, like the new CMO came out and he's like, you know what I'm saying? He told it like talking about how, oh well, we talk to the community, we listen to the community. But you're really not, Like you go on Shaq News with like this politician style interview where there's this list of questions they want to ask, they can only ask this many. You know what I mean? And you go out there and tout how you've sold over 1 million cabinets, and how the best thing about your company is how you interact with the community. But you guys haven't interacted with the community really since the last Arcade1Up weekly podcast with Retro Ralph and Console Kids. See, I think that they're too focused on losing money, because it's funny because he mentioned how Arcade1Up started as a passion project for Scott. You know what I mean? And what's happened is now that the passion project is turning money. And since it's turning money, that seems to be what they're focused on now. What they fail to realize is that their community are the ones who are buying all these things. The community are the ones who own 10, 15, 20 cabinets, you know what I mean, in their Arcade1Up group that he touted so much. You know what I mean? They're the ones who are buying these cabinets, you know what I mean? Not Tammy and Timmy who go into the Walmart and see it for like $400 and look at it and they're like, oh, we're gonna buy that. No, it's your diehards who are buying these cabinets. And granted, yes, there are casuals who buy these cabinets, but you know what happened with the casuals? They buy these cabinets and then they wreck them, or they let or you know what I'm saying, they get damaged or whatever, dude, and they're the ones selling them on Facebook marketplaces for $125 or giving them away for free. You know what I'm saying? Your casuals aren't the ones buying it. Otherwise, Walmart would be marking cabinets down to like $50, $75, $100. It's your diehards who are buying your product. You know what I mean? And you need podcasts like the 1UP Weekly with Console Kits and Retro Ref. You need Super Game Room dudes with Nostalgia and Michael B and P Dubs and Detroit Love. You need these podcasts and you need this company to help push your product. But you don't want to listen to them. You want to be like, oh, well, the bigger picture and the bigger scale. I mean, the CMO also said, it was like, yo, like, what happens when they run out of games? I'm pretty sure there's over 1,000 games on that thing. There's a plethora of arcade licenses they can go chase. The community tells them all the time, you know, when they tease NFL Blitz, they're like, yo, we want that. Where's that? You know, where's Killer Instinct? You guys talk about Killer Instinct. I want Killer Instinct. Not just as a fighting game fan, but someone who loves the artwork. Where's Killer Instinct? You don't talk about, you know what I'm saying? You don't talk about the cabs that you guys do. You guys did Big Buck Hunter, so you have the technology now with sending and whatever, dude. You have the technology to make light gun games, but you're not doing anything with it. You prove that you can do driving and yoke games with Outrun and Star Wars, but you're not giving anything. Instead, what you want to do is milk the franchises that you've already put out. This is like, what, the 14th freaking Pac-Man variant, second Miss Pac-Man variant they're putting out, you know what I mean? Like, this is like the 4th or 5th version of Street Fighter? Wait a minute, let's see, there's Wave 1 Street Fighter Head-to-Head, Capcom Legacy, which is technically still Street Fighter, and yeah, Big Blue. It's 4 versions of Street Fighter. And I love Street Fighter, okay? Just so we're clear. I absolutely love Street Fighter, you know what I mean? And hell, because it's nostalgia, you know what I mean? Like, I'll buy Big Blue, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's about, you know what I mean? And at the end of the day, I think that's what they realize, that they're pulling on the tug strings of nostalgia, but they're not connecting with the community. You know what I mean? And she's still happy to be there. You know what I mean? It's not, you know what I'm saying? It's like, well, yo, we're not going to listen to the community. We're not going to give them what they want. You can't sit and say, well, we can't do, you know what I'm saying? Community wants what? Full-size arcades. Willing to pay more for it. You know what I mean? You guys aren't doing that. You guys were like, oh, well, we can't do this. You can't say that we can't get a full-size arcade in a full box because this thing's 68 inches tall. And there's an extra plate to extend the height of it. Now, I don't know if this is the beta test for everybody to be like, oh, well, we can do this year, and then next year we'll do full-size. Cool. But I think that you guys listen to the community. Well, you guys say you're listening to the community. I don't think you really are. I think you're listening to, you know what I'm saying, the people that are like, hey, we can make money off of this. Because if you were listening to the community, you would go back to your grassroots stuff. You would go back to doing interviews and being fully transparent. You wouldn't have some CMO that nobody even knows who the hell they are. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I take it back. I think Retro Ralph reported there'll never be a new CMO like a couple months ago or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But nobody's really interacted with this dude. And you bring this dude on, and he's spouting information that, like, nobody really cares about. And at the end of the day, dude, like, nobody wants to pay $600 for a reskin. And it sucks because it's like, people are going to have to because a lot of people missed out on TMNT. And I can understand the Simpsons, you know what I mean? Like the Simpsons isn't even on the site anymore. The CMO said it's still coming. They probably had a license issue probably, so they had to pull it down. Cool. But it's still coming, and that's fine. But you're not being fully transparent. For as much crap as people give ad games whatever do, but ad games will let you know at least every step of the way. And they'll even tell you like, hey, yo, we messed up. I mean, and so since we messed up, here's this. I don't know if anybody from Arcade1Up's ever going to see this or listen to it, or anyone wants to share this with them, but price gouging your community for games that are already out, yo, that's not it. Because 12 games for 500 does sound a lot better than 2 for 6. Maybe it's time you guys start thinking about doing custom PCBs and taking custom orders and charging a little bit more, because you have the licenses. It's not like you don't have the license to distribute whatever, because you do. And from a business standpoint, it might be good for you. But you know, what do I know? I'm just a fan, right? You know what I mean? I'm just the guy who buys the product. Anyway, yo, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, you know, make sure to hit that like button. You know, subscribe to the channel on your way out. Turn notifications as we make our way to 2K. And let me know in the comments, yo, are you still planning on picking up TMNT? You know what I mean, are we part of the problem? Are we the reason why this is like this because we keep supporting the product? Do you want to see Arcade1Up do better? Or do you think they're doing fine as they are? Yo, let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I'm MikeOfAllTrades, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.